Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in Chase, our YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, and what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Driver Squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video to your friends and family members and let them know that Chase is popping. Let's get into today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my
Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase back with another video. Today's video, it's time to go over some stocks that I invested in Friday, and let's talk about what's to come in the future. So let me put y'all on the screen. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So let's start with Cashapp first. I have $121 invested. Oh, let it refresh. I have $121 invested. We down $2.16. That's fine, because we got a new investing strategy. These are all the results from Friday, but the stocks that I invested in, I have $15 with Tesla. There's $28 with or $30 with Apple. And those are pretty much like, ever since the stock split, I pretty much bought at the bottom, and I'm pretty much gonna follow it till it hit its bottom line and benefit everything coming back up. ETL stocks, I gotta put some more money in one day, and since it's down, I mean, it might be a good time soon. Walgreens is a good stock to look at, and I'm going to explain why in a second on the charts. McDonald's, I'm purely investing into McDonald's because Travis Scott and McDonald's, they are doing a collaboration on, it's called Travis Scott Meal. So today, September 8th, it's about to be a good little prediction. So McDonald's, I put $20 in. Right now, McDonald's was $211.73. So let's just go to stock charts and just pull this up. So this is what it's looking like for McDonald's on the 50 and 200 moving day average. $211.73. Right now, McDonald's is 61.50 on the RSI, and it's like really overbought, and people are just selling off their shares because they see it's a decline. Let's just go to I want to see exponential moving average. I want to see what's the exponential moving average in real time. 20, and let's go to 50. Because the stocks on the simple moving average, they always do the same thing. But an exponential, okay, so it pretty much got it going down from everything from the fourth. So, okay, so as you see, it's still overbought. Fine. But I wonder what this collaboration is going to do. I want to check out Walgreens. Nope. Still don't know it. Walgreens. Okay. So Friday, it was $36.89, and it's projecting, well, just the simple moving average. Okay, let's change it to the exponential moving average. And the only reason why I'm changing on exponential moving average, I rewatched Chris Johnson video that I bought from him in March, just to freshen up on things, and I just want to look at the exponentials. And we gotta figure out what that is. So, and a 200 moving day average and the 50-day moving average is showing that it's going to continue to increase, and it's at 33.03. So it's like 3.08 away from being undervalued. And what I'm going to do is probably just swing trade it. Let's see, Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance, Walgreens, WBA. I don't even know the stock symbol. Okay, it's the stock symbol. Do they pay dividends? Yep, they do pay dividends. So let's look this up. Walgreens dividend. Go to the NASDAQ. Look for the NASDAQ link. Here we go. So they almost pay like 50 cents a share. So they steadily been increasing. They didn't cut anything, so that's good. Oh, that's good. Okay, Walgreens, I see you. Something else to look at. Stock charts. McDonald's, Walgreens. I don't want to look at none of Tesla and Amazon. That's pretty much long term. Let's look at Robinhood. Nokia. That video is about to be coming up soon because I wanna talk about I want to talk about Nokia and go over their 5G. That's what I want to go over. This company was a free stock from y'all, so thank y'all. If you don't have Robinhood and you want to get it, get it. This company is partnered up. It does technology and drones. And Tesla, a few videos ago, I figured out this is what Tesla doing. They training on these drones, so that's why I invested in this. UVO is based out of Arkansas, and I'm just putting my money back where I live, back where I'm going to probably set up a foundation. Dogecoin is pretty much doing bad, but it's down $27. But everybody laughed at Bitcoin, and look where Bitcoin is at. So just playing with the cryptocurrencies. Webull. How's my portfolio doing? It's down right now. My free stock is down, but it's still free. It's a free stock, so I still $10.50. Levi still a free stock, still $12.42. JAMF Holding is down. I have 5 shares. I'm down $7.37. I wonder what's the stock. JAMF Holding right now is $36.66, which is under what I normally pay. So it might be a good idea to invest in JMF Holding tomorrow. Yeah, that might be a good idea to invest in it tomorrow when I wake up. Yeah, that's it. But let's figure out what's some good stocks to look at. So this is how I like to look and prep for good stocks. So we just go to, we did health last. Let's do, matter of fact, tourism, transportation, banking, finance. Let's do all of them. Let's go to the year and let's go to the lowest. What's the lowest? So we got all these companies that's performing low. Okay. No, I don't really like that. Health is media and entertainment. So let's just stick to media and entertainment. Nope, we did that last time. I remember that. Which one is after Walgreens? Stock charts. Shopping for new stocks. Food and drinks. Nope. Media and entertainment. Nope. Shopping. Nope. Sports. Oh, that's what I wanted to look at. Sports and gaming. The reason why I want to look that up, because I think I want to look at draft. I want to see if DraftKings is on here. That's what I wanted to do. So go to categories. Let's just go to sports and gaming. Apply. So they just got Dave and Buster's. Let's click up. 30. Okay. 20. Okay. 10. Okay. So DraftKings is pretty much doing good. Sports and gaming. DKNG. Cause sports and stuff going around and they doing pretty good. So it's gonna be something I should keep my eye on. Once they dip, once they get around $20-something, once they dip again, I don't know if they gonna continue to rise or if they gonna fall, but DraftKings is something that's gonna be on my radar. So I thought I wanted to talk about that, but I didn't. Tourism, transportation, technology. Sports and gaming, technology. Year. Let's go down to the lowest. Boeing, Spirit, Momo, Viasat. I already looked up these and they still the worst performing ones, which is gonna be a long term thing, but H&R Block is gonna boom again. Let's see what they normally do once it's peak season from them. HRB. This is something that's HR that's going to increase when tax season come back out. So they pretty much on the low end, and it's going to continue to dip until it's time to rise again. April. So this is only September. Let's see if we can. Let's see how far it go back. You only give me the weekly, so it's undervalued. This is on a weekly, so on the weekly charts, this is something good to look forward to. H&R Block is another good stock to invest in if you want to slowly invest in. H&R Block or Walgreens, those are two stocks I can suggest to you. It's time to go to bed. Chase Way is sleepy. I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.